Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Gaming for Beginners. Today in this video, I'm going to be guiding you through how you can change your profile picture in Heyday. If you want to update your profile photo, then you can easily first open the Heyday application on your device. From your homepage of Heyday, go to the top left corner and tap on the 3 horizontal menu button and click on Settings. Once you're inside the Settings menu, click on the Connected button right next to Supercell ID, and from here, go to your profile icon at the top and you'll be able to see this Edit Avatar option. Go ahead and choose a new avatar for yourself. You can also choose the background for your avatar at the top and click on Save. Soon after you do that, you will be able to change your profile picture in Heyday. So that is how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.